Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for WIF price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates, and drop your questions and comments below. I will be glad to answer it. And yeah, starting with WIF here, we can see that we have already a finished impulse in the daily chart for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where we have finished, of course, our wave A. And then we are looking for a W, X, and a Y. Your W is a finished zigzag here, and your X is an expanding flat, or a running flat, or even a zigzag. By the way, here it could be a zigzag. And of course, for your triangle for your wave Y, where we are looking for zigzag, small zigzag here to finish with a triangle, of course, as a WXY. Perfect. After this, you want to look for higher prices, of course, as an impulse towards the upside. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, where we have already hit the 1.618 fib level, taken from the 1 to the 3, and then we are looking to an ending diagonal here for our wave 5, where we have finished, of course, our wave 1, and we are looking now for a retracement towards the downside with the given fib level, of course, where we are seeking for a wave 2. Your wave 2 should, of course, it is preferably, not should, but it's preferably that it hits those fib level in the green box, and the minimum requirement is 0.38 fib level, of course, at 2.17 for WIF. This is your bullish scenario, of course, where you want to still look for a 1, 2, and then move towards the upside with a 3, 4, and a 5, where your wave 3 at a 1 to 1, given, of course, for your wave C here. We are talking about this wave C towards the upside after, of course, an impulse correction and another impulse. Of course, you want to look for a 1 to 1 fib level at least for the wave C. And this fib level, if you remember, I already mentioned that this is not your logarithmic fib level, it is the linear fib level, which is a little bit more realistic, of course, for now. Because if we give now the logarithmic, it's gonna be $75. So from $2 to 75, this is a little bit more than a moon boy. So therefore, I prefer to stay on Earth and be realistic a little bit, of course, reaching only this fib level. And of course, now if we are looking for 3 corrective waves, you want to seek for A, B, and a C. Your wave C should be a little bit deeper, of course, to hit those fib levels. If we look inside our wave here on the 1 hour chart, we can see that your 1 hour chart with the channels as well. Of course, always from now on, I'm gonna use the channeling because it is very, very important to have. So on our base channel, we can see, of course, our wave C here towards the upside, where you have after this 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. In that case scenario, of course, you have here your wave 3 has broken this channel perfectly, mentioning that, of course, or confirming that this is an impulse, where you want to see, of course, your wave 3 using this base channel as a support here, and even a dive a little bit inside it. After this 1, 2, 3, exactly here, where we have finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, perfect for wave 3. Then you have ABC for your wave 4 inside your base channel, and you are looking for a finished wave 5, which it has already ranged with your acceleration channel perfectly. And now you are looking again that the price that it has went again inside your base channel. Now, of course, it is very possible that, of course, very rare case that it can make an extension from your base channel, but since we have button already, of course, we are looking for ABC, where your wave C anyway is reaching the 1 to 1 fib level here, as of course we want to see a break for this channel and moving to the $2.29, which is also very close to a 0.38 fib level, where you might see, of course, an extended wave C towards the downside, probably moving as a wave 2. However, if that is not the case, we might move into a W, X, and a Y. I'm saying this because this is a little bit hard to call it as an impulse, and it is a little bit hard to say that this is a 1-2 here. Looking at this price action here, if we want to say 1, 2, 3, 4, your wave 4 has dived deeper inside your wave 1, therefore invalidation. And then if we want to say 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, it looks a little bit like an expanding diagonal, which is the most rare to work. Therefore, the only option that I have is a zigzag as a 1 or a B and a C. Your wave A is an impulse here, possibly finished on that point here for your wave A. Your A, B, and C is an expanding flat for a correction, and you are looking here for another impulse to finish, of course, as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to finish your zigzag. In that case scenario, if you are 3 waves towards the downside, 3 waves towards the upside, you are looking, of course, for 5 waves towards the downside, finishing this ABC correction. After this can be, if we are not bullish yet and we are looking for a wave 2 so far, you want to see, of course, after this a 5 waves towards the upside, then 3 waves down, then continuation towards the upside, of course hitting over this price action here that you had as a high. In the case that you got only 3 waves correction as 1, 2, and a 3, that means an ABC, then you are looking, of course, to break this low again and also this low and continuation towards the downside. And by all means, if you get a correction here, it might be, of course, your wave X after a W here, and you might have a deeper wave Y, where you want to touch the preferred fib level for a wave 2 and then continuation towards the upside. So be careful, of course, with it. You want to seek now for lower prices in any case to reach, of course, these fib levels and this fib level. And from there, you take it, of course, and you see what's going to happen. 5 waves or 3 waves towards the upside. This is going to be your answer for the next price. So that was it for WIF. Thank you for your likes and your comments. And of course, see you in the next one. Bye-bye.